All right, now we're doing 7Q breaking chocolate problem. This is by Creekus, and 84% of the people like it. Our task is to split the chocolate bar of given dimension n times m into smaller squares. Each square is of size 1 by 1 and unbreakable. We're going to implement a function that will return minimum number of breaks needed. For example, if we are given a chocolate bar the size 2 by 1, we can split it to single squares in just one break, but for size 3 by 1, we must do it in 2 breaks. If input data is invalid, we should return 0, as in no breaks are needed if we do not have any chocolate to split. Input will always be a non-negative integer. All right, cool. So for this one, we're just going to make this concise syntax. A const here, break chocolate equals this, and then we're going to say arrow right there. So for this one, all we got to do is take into consideration the fact that if there's 0, we will return 0, so that there's no negative numbers. So that's basically the first thing we got to do. Also, we're going to use a ternary operator for this. We're going to use the conditional or ternary operator, which is the only JavaScript operator that takes 3 operands: a condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is truthy followed by a colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is falsy. This operator is frequently used as an alternative to an if-else statement. All right. So basically, what we're going to do here is we're going to say if, if n times m equals 0, all right, we're going to return 0. And then if not, we're going to return n times m. And as you can see here, when it's 2, it only needs 1 break. Where it's 3, we got to have 2 breaks. Basically, it's whatever by whatever minus 1. And that's that should work. Let's see. There we go. All right, attempt it. All right, and submit it. All right, and as you can see, it's pretty much the same as this one. Let's go to mine. Yeah, just the 4 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us. Best practice, in my opinion, very much like this, and we'll see you next time.